I think we're facing the huge challenge in this industry when we're talking about onboarding the next generation of punters, Generation Y and Generation Z. 86% of that generation considers themselves gamers, and yet we don't have any products that cater specifically to them. For them, all of our sports books look like colored Excel sheets.
Rare.
Sorry. We got accustomed to high customer acquisition costs, and yet we are willing to lose up to 85% of them on the second non-incentivized deposit, which is not really sustainable. So what can we actually do to make betting more fun for the next generation? My name is Tom, and I've been working in the industry since 2007. Together with my co-founders Lucas and Florian and our amazing dev team, we have created Savage Tech, which created the world's first true gamified retention engine. This is not your average retention engine, where you collect some boring points and get some virtual rewards for it. No, we actually created an RPG game that can be put on top of a sportsbook or onto a casino. And this is how it looks like. On the bottom left, you can see your avatar. So a user signs up for your sportsbook or your casino and then gets encountered with this little guy. This little guy can be dragged and dropped anywhere you want, and it works on mobile and it works on desktop. The goal of this guy is to fight against monsters. And you do that by doing something that is good for the operator themselves. For example, placing a bet, spinning the virtual machine in the casino, or depositing money. We track all of that. And we give the gamer basically a chance to earn e-fame and give the gamer a chance to progress with his avatar. He grows accustomed to it. And I don't know who has played World of Warcraft amongst you guys, but it's kind of hard to leave your level 30 character behind because this character is non-transferable, which means that there's a huge first mover advantage for an operator in the jurisdiction to implement this solution first. We have other cool features built in. For example, we have a social leaderboard. We have a shop where we can sell virtual items where gamers can check in every 24 hours to get a discount on that legendary sword that they need. And the coolest thing is that we can tap into the loyalty engine of you. So if you say, hey, someone has to generate a turnover of 250 euro in order to get a voucher, we can actually implement that in our game. And once the person beats the third mini boss, then we can release that voucher to you. So thank you very much for listening. And I'm looking forward to the questions from the judges.
Thank you very much, Tom. Very punctual.
I'll start.
Yes, Amor, we're going to start.
I love the idea of a little angel devil on your shoulder. The only thing that I have an issue is, why can I not take my avatar home? Wouldn't it be more compelling if it were with me on my phone everywhere, just bugging me to do more things in the platform?
Absolutely. So the reason for that is because from an operator perspective, you don't want that. You want that the customer has to go back to your platform all the time and only gets to interact with that avatar on your platform, because this is the moment in time where you can actually incentivize the user to do something on your book in your casino that actually makes you money. And that's why we stayed away from that. And again, it's a retention engine. We do not want that this character can be transferred from platform A to platform B. So platform A, who signs up with us first, just has that advantage.
I want to be on. So I suppose this would be essentially a kind of VIP program that you could design as an operator. And so you could influence the betting behaviors of an individual based on the parameters that you set within your engine, which you're basing on the retention and acquisition of these users. You did say that you've got the avatar or the monsters, but if you were to look at an operator level and the branding of a certain operator, let's take a BetMGM. They don't want a monster or an alien. They'll probably want something a little bit more fancy. Yeah. So can that intellectual property of that avatar be changed out still with the same mechanics that you've said?
Absolutely. So this is one of the first questions that I'm always getting when I'm talking with operators. Yes, anything that you can see on the game layer can be customized to your liking. And that starts with an avatar. It could also be an airplane or a car. It continues with how much money you actually have to bet in order to gain action points, which you can use then to defeat monsters. And of course, it ends with how the monsters are looking. So yeah, everything that you see, we customize it for you. So it's really like a solution that looks like it came from your platform.
Does the operator retain the intellectual property to that avatar, or can you reuse that avatar on someone else's site?
Yeah, of course, the operator retains their IP. I mean, I cannot think about a solution where we animate a character or a mascot from platform A, and then I go out and they, oh, by the way, platform B would you like also to have that. I don't think that is going to work.
Good.
Yeah.
Do you have any quantitative analysis of the increase in playing time or revenue from usage of the monsters or the avatars?
Great question. So obviously, we tested this in a dry run with hundreds of people from not only from our network, but also amongst our expanded network. So we know that the game works, and we know that it's going to add a lot of fun to the betting experience itself. But we are not live yet with our product. We are currently integrating with 3 different operators, 2 from Europe, 1 from LATAM. And after that, and this is exactly what you're looking for, right? Once we have that data and we can match it to the before and after, I just need 2 numbers that I can blurt out on social media PR. It is basically the average LTV got increased by X after using this solution, and the churn rate got dropped by X% as well. And I only need those 2 numbers in order to make my company fly.
Yes or no question? What's your favorite color?
Green.
All right.
Right. In that case, I'm going to use the last 7 seconds. Thank you very much to Sigma Asia for providing us startups with this amazing facility, and thanks again.
Thank you very, very much, Tom.